Summer heat can be unbearable, and air conditioning can be expensive. Air conditioning is the most common way to cool your home, but it's also one of the most expensive. Cooling your home can account for up to 50 to 90% of your energy usage. The QuietCool Whole House Fan is a whole house fan that helps reduce your dependence on air conditioning by pushing hot air out of the structure and drawing in cooler outside air. This fan can save you up to 50% on your energy bill. Why whole house fan is a good investment. Top 3 expert reasons why QuietCool Whole House Fan is a must-have. First, energy savings. In Whole House Fan, you can save 50 to 90% on your AC-related costs. According to the Department of Energy, Whole House Fan is the most cost-effective way to cool your home at a low initial cost. It offers the fastest return on investments. Stop spending dollars per hour on your AC. Instead, spend a few pennies per hour when you run your QuietCool Whole House Fan. Second, comfort. A breeze that you can open anytime. And a breeze that makes you feel 5 to 10 degrees cooler instantly. The constant airflow balances the temperature in every single area of the house to make everyone comfortable. Third, indoor air quality. Did you know that the air in your home could make you sick? Harvard, CDC, and the American Lung Association says that proper ventilation is essential to airborne illness, TOC gases, harmful pathogens, and indoor air viruses. The Environmental Protection Agency said, indoor air is 2 to 5 times more pollutants than outdoor air. The QuietCool Whole House Fan can place stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air in 3 to 4 minutes. Everything in your home store heats. Your walls, the floor, the types of furniture, and many more. By running a QuietCool Whole House Fan, you draw the heat from the entire home, the mass, and ambient air. It allows the home stays cool longer and requires less use of AC. It can save you money on your energy bill by reducing your dependence on air conditioning. What are you waiting for? If you are ready to improve your family's health and start saving money, invest in a QuietCool Whole House Fan today.